would you show us the next step, Aaron? And that is what does the warehouse manager do to use this software to help him see what sales orders are ready to ship out and how he can decide which ones are ready, which ones are scheduled to be shipped out, which ones need
Hmm.
um, pick tickets.
Yeah, absolutely. Let me go ahead and share my screen. What I have open right now is a dashboard built that comes standard with a Acumatica installation. It's called Warehouse Manager. And this is a quick overview of what orders need to ship, what orders are late, what open shipments I have, my fill rate. And so as a warehouse manager, I can quickly drill down into what I need to look at. And so I'm drilling into this, and this is the order that we've been working on right here for Alta Ace 25. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. There's automation steps where we can print all of these all at once, or you can manually process as well. And so I'm going to go ahead, create my shipment, right? And so it goes, creates the shipment for me. And so it's moving it from an SO document to a shipment document. And inside of this shipment document, I can specify how I'm going to ship it. Right now it's marked as will call, but I want to actually ship it FedEx ground. Okay. And the reason I'm going to do this is I'm going to get a tracking number and I'm going to specify a box. And so this could be somebody out in the warehouse that
So I'm
has,
confused. I'm confused.
okay,
So I'm confused at how we got to the shipping screen so quickly. Um, did we skip picking? Does Acumatica have different routing options? How did we
well,
get to the shipping screen so
yeah.
quickly and not pick anything? It kind of seems like we didn't pick anything. Did we
Well,
pick
the
anything?
with Acumatica, right? So I get to the shipment screen. In order to get a shipping document or like a picking document, I have to have an open shipment, right? So I went from sales order to a shipment screen. Okay.
Okay. That's just the
And
wording I'm getting hung up on,
yeah.
which
Yeah.
is pretty common when learning new software is different software programs could word things differently.
Oh, absolutely.
And and so I maybe we can think of this as the shipment routing or something. You explain it.
Yeah.
That just
So
kind of threw me off a little bit.
yeah, that's fine. And you're right. Every ERP, every system has a little bit different terminology. Acumatica goes from sales order to shipment to invoice, right? And
Okay.
within the shipment, there's multiple functions that happen. You have your picking, you have your packing, and then you have your confirming, which then gives you uh, the ability to then move on to the invoice, right? And so once I have an open shipment, right, I can then print the pick list, right? So this is what would then go out to the person out in the warehouse and say, here's my shipment. That's for this customer, and it's for this item, for this quantity. And so, there's multiple different ways. You could do this via a mobile device, or you could, I have a lot of warehouses that like to have the print off and hand it to people. Acumatica does have wave picking and does have other ways of managing that. That's also included in the WMS.
I think the
But
workflow that is most common for a lot of my clients is uh, you go look at what orders are fulfillable or scheduled to be fulfilled, um, uh, can be fulfilled based on quantity available. Print out a bunch of pick tickets, put those pick tickets on a stack, and then someone with the mobile device will
mhm.
come grab one of those pick tickets, scan it onto the mobile device, and now the mobile device will guide them to where to go in the warehouse. Maybe the pick ticket will too, but Um, yeah, I'd love to see the picking screen on the mobile device. I know we looked at the receiving screen on the mobile device. Can you show us the picking screen on the mobile device?
Yeah, there we go. So I'm logging into the mobile device here. All right. Yeah, so this would also fall into the warehouse management features, right? And
Okay.
so what I would then be is on the mobile device, I would then move into what's called pick, pack, and ship. On that pick, pack, and ship, right, we would need to know the order number. And so that's kind of where this pick ticket kind of comes in is um, it gives you that scan ability. And so you could say, I'm going to scan this order and I'm going to go pick it, right? You'd scan the order number. So I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to grab my order number. That's where the pick ticket right here comes in handy when these get printed off. It's because then you could quickly scan that on your mobile device and then go pick everything, right? So you don't have to carry the paper around.
Yeah, go ahead and paste that in there and we'll pretend like
Yeah,
scanned it. Sure,
yeah.
that's
So then I can come in here and I can say, here's my scan. The shipment is loaded, ready for you to pick. I'm going from R1, S1 is my location. So the way that the scanner works is it says, all right, now go scan the location, right? And so then here's my location. And then it's saying, all right, scan the item, right?
yeah, I like how it just kind of prompts you, the cursor goes to the next thing you should scan.
Yep, yep. And so coming in here, here's my item. I'm just going to grab my item number, come back to my mobile device. Here's my item number. And it says, all right, added to the shipment. Well, I don't want to scan that item 25 times because now it's saying one each was added. But
Mhm.
now I can come in here and say, well, I want to actually scan, set my quantity to 25 because I want to pick all of them, right?
Now, in this example that you're showing us, there's one product on the entire sales order.
Yep, that's correct.
In an example where there's, 20 products on an entire sales order, and they're all in different locations in the warehouse. Does Acumatica provide a path of fewest footsteps? For instance, does it sort the pick ticket in order of the path of fewest footsteps to help the picker go in the most efficient route through the warehouse?
Yes, but it does take planning, right? And that's
Sure.
part of making sure that you have your WMS and your warehouse in an organized manner, right? And so that would be something that we would do at the very beginning of moving into Acumatica is help plan that so that way Acumatica can then make recommendations when you go do your pick, pack, and ship, right? And so that comes into being the well-planned and organized warehouse. I did mention, wave picking, where wave picking would be, all right, now we're going to go pick these 25 orders, and it would say you have these 5 items in this one location that can cover all these orders. So let's grab everything all at once. And so then you'd have your cart that would go around the whole warehouse and you could pick all the orders and bring them up to the packing station. So there's several different methods that Acumatica can support on the picking side of things.
Right. Okay, so are we finished with picking? Is there anything else we need to do to complete with picking?
And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just say, I'm going to confirm picking. Okay. I'm not
Okay.
going to actually confirm the shipment yet because I still want it to go through and have my packing person look at this and, put it into a box. Right. So I'm going to confirm my picking. And so there we go. Now, let's say we go up to the shipping computer and they actually have a full-size monitor and this shipment open. Okay. Now it's telling me my quantity is picked, right? My picked quantity matches my shipped, these are starting to match right here.
Yeah.
But now, as the person doing the packaging, right, says, all right, notes say I need to ship it FedEx ground. So he changes the ship method to FedEx ground and says, I now need to package it into a box. What's nice is Acumatica has what's called automatic packaging. So based off of the parameters on the item, it says I need to use one large box and one small box. And here's the length, width, height, and the weight that's going to go into each one based off of the configuration on the item. Okay.
That's pretty
And so
cool. That's pretty complex programming there. I've only seen that in one other software program.
it's actually a really fun way to configure your items, right? And it's a time saver, right? But now, so he would then come in here and say, all right, he would weigh the box and he would have the scale on there and he'd say, it's packaging and box is a little bit more. We're really more like 21 pounds and more like 2.5 pounds, right? you're going to see Acumatica is like, no, we have the restrictions on here. This is what it's going to be. So, but at this point, he would then say, all right, I'm going to confirm my shipment. Everything looks good. And what it's going to do is it's actually going to go out to FedEx and it's going to populate my tracking numbers, right? And so now you're going to see I have a tracking number that's been populated. And
So we
so
did
he,
that completely in Acumatica. We didn't leave Acumatica and go to the
no,
next ship manager.
yeah, super, super cool. And so then he could come up here and hit print labels. I don't have a label printer yet, but I would print my labels. But like if I open this up, I can actually see my label right here. And so here's my label that got generated by FedEx, right? So this is
Yeah.
just a shipping integration,
Yeah.
but he can do everything he needs. You can see the order right here, what's been picked, where it's shipping to. Here's my actual cost of my inventory item or what it costs me to ship. All right, well now
And
my shipment is complete.
sorry to interrupt, what does Acumatica integrate with? What carriers and freight software does Acumatica integrate with?
Okay, there's multiples in there, like UPS and FedEx are the two big ones. UPS, right? And that's via like stamps.com integration. And
USPS.
yep.
Yeah.
And then there's two other methods where it's called Ship Engine, which is like a service where you just make one connection. And there's another one that's called Easy Post. And so any of these, you can make multiple connections. Easy Post can go out to like 100 other different type of carriers and have that integration directly into Acumatica.